This is me, Raptor Hurricane King. Basketball. Oh. This is AC. Look, you two. He's hanging on the rim. You're hanging.
There may be something you'd like to say. Hey, I'm Herb Fight-Time Mang of the world famous Harlem Globetrotters.
Who's the baby in the way? Oh, he moved. Oh, snap.
You think the waiter is a professional wrestler? You might not be smart as
Did I make it? This is my new dunk. God, hurricane. Flying layup. Set up real quick so I can go for you, bro. Off the wall. Windmill. Off the wall. One-handed throw down. Off the wall. One-handed throw down. Okay, okay.
Are you playing with the empty box?
You want to hoop me? Yes?
Bye-bye.
Can you hoop me, please? Just throw me the ball while I'm in the air. Alley hoop.
Oh, what's like that?
What kind of alley hoop is that?
I don't know what you can do.
You throw it right there.
Too high?
Yep, too high. I need a better passer.
You know what? You using my iPod to record this stuff.
I need better passing. He just passed me the ball.
Can you wait?
Pass me the ball.
YouTube, he need patience. Patience, I tell you.
Thanks for telling me this. Your fault.
You just suck.
The passer sucks.
I ain't the best to you, man. Blah, 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 blah.
Dunk! Dunk face. Dunked on him.
I was just about to. I want to dunk. Let me dunk on YouTube. Watch this shit.
That's how you just
No!
Dunk on her again. That's how I'm gonna do y'all YouTube. Step at me on the court.
What? No!
Watch this. This is a first person dunk.
Let me record you.
Nope, this first person.
Let me record you.
Oh, I lost the ball.
You moving the camera too much.
It's first person.
Okay. But I know you did not just hit. You know what? See. Tinky Tinky.
Look at AC.
Shoot the ball, AC.
Can I go on YouTube?
Okay.
Boom!
You want to play no more?
He hit his rim on the goal.
He hit his room.
I mean, he hit his lip on the goal. He have major hops, yo.
No, you you threw him up there.
So you have major hops.
Hi. Can I stop this recording? It's on like for almost 7 minutes now.
Okay, after this one major dunk.
Major. What I got it with your sweaty self?
I'm done.
Sweaty pants.